that 6 yards of elegance which can be worn or draped around the body. A sari is something which adds a lot of grace and adds beauty after it is worn by a woman. A sari is something which can be worn in multiple ways. So, hi, I am Risha Karvenko. I am working as an assistant professor at Indian Institute of Fashion Technology. And in today's video, we are going to take that 6 yards of fabric and we are going to drape it in multiple ways, creating the Western look plus creating the summer looks. So here we are with our model. Her name is Mandira and she is going to be the model for this particular style. And taking it forward, we are going to drape the sari styles on Mandira and we are going to create the looks. So here we are with our first look. You can take a look at this look where we have paired it with the black crop top and a black legging. Now talking about the drape, we have tied the sari in the center with a knot and you can take a look, and in the two sides, in both the sides, we have done the pleats to create this particular look. Okay. Now here you see at the front part a very beautiful drape is coming where we have taken the pallu and we have tied it inside the strap of the crop top. Now, talking about the accessories, we have given the oxidized accessories for this complete look and we have paired it with the black belt. So here we are with our second look. In this look, you can see we have taken the two ends of the sari and we have tucked it or we have tied it in the front of the crop, and we have tried to create a beautiful bow. And you can see the rest of the sari we have pleated, we have accumulated and we have pleated it at the back side and we have tucked it in the legging. So this is how we have tried to create this particular drape. Now, we coming to the accessories, we have given a brown belt which is matching with the color of the earring, and we have tried to keep the accessories very minimum in this look. So here we are with our third look, and in this look we have created very interesting sleeves where we have taken two ends of the saris and we have created the sleeves. Now, taking the complete rest of the fabric, we have put it in the back and we have created the nice beads. And this is how it is completing the look. And we have also given a belt which is supporting the complete fabric. Also talking about accessory, nothing much we have given, but we have given an interesting headband to this look. So this is how it completes the look. It looks a lot like a poncho dress and it creates a pretty bohemian look. So there is not much explanation that is required to be given about the sari. We all know that a sari is something which can be worn in different ways. So I hope whatever looks that we created today, you all enjoyed, and I hope you people keep trying more looks using the sari than creating the same drape that we always wear. So that was all about today's video. I hope you all enjoyed the looks that we have created. Thank you.